Hello and welcome to Lesson 8 of our Introduction to Manual Testing for Mobile course. I'm Jamie, and today we're going to discuss a helpful feature within the Kobiton platform, retaining a device. There are times when you need to hold on to a device for an extended period, keeping it reserved beyond a single test session. Retaining a device ensures that it remains available for your use whenever you need it, providing consistency and reliability in your testing workflow. In this lesson, we'll explore the two primary methods for retaining a device, demonstrate how to retain a device using each method, and show you how to manage retained devices effectively. Let's dive in and learn how to retain devices to enhance your manual testing process. Retaining a device in Kobiton can be done in two ways, directly from the device modal and during the exit of a manual session. Let's go through each method step by step. The first method involves retaining a device directly from the device modal. Whether you're in the card view or list view, you can access the device modal by clicking on the three dots associated with the device you wish to retain. Once the device modal is open, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the retention options. Here, you can choose how long you want to retain the device. There is an option to retain the device for an unlimited time period. However, if you do not see this option, it means that your administrator has disabled the ability to retain the device indefinitely. Select your desired retention period and confirm your choice. This will reserve the device exclusively for your use until the retention period expires. The second method allows you to retain a device when you're exiting a manual session. Let's go through this process. First, launch a manual session on any device. Once you're ready to exit the session, click on the X in the upper right corner of the manual testing screen. A confirmation modal will appear, giving you the option to retain the device for a specified period. Here, you can choose to retain the device for predefined time periods, such as 1 hour. After selecting your desired retention time, click on Exit Session. Now, when you return to the device list, you'll notice that the device you retained is marked as retained. If you click on the three dots for the retained device, you can see that it is indeed retained and reserved for your use. When a device is retained, you can launch it just as if it were online. I'll perform these steps now. After using the retained device, when you exit the session, you have two options: maintain retention time or release the retained device. Let's choose to release the retained device. To do this, click on the X to exit the session. In the confirmation modal, select Do Not Retain Device to release it back to the available pool. Now, the device is no longer retained and is available for other users or for future testing sessions. Managing retained devices ensures that you have dedicated resources when needed while optimizing device availability for your entire team. Well done! You've now learned how to retain a device using both the device modal and during the exit of a manual session. Retaining a device is a valuable feature that allows you to reserve devices for extended testing periods, ensuring consistency and availability for your testing needs. Whether you need a device for a long-term project or want to ensure that a specific device configuration is maintained, retaining devices simplifies the management process. Remember, retaining a device directly from the device modal provides flexibility in how long you hold on to a device, and retaining during session exit offers a quick and convenient way to reserve a device before completing the manual session. In our next and final lesson in this course, we'll move on to reviewing session results, where we'll learn how to analyze and document the outcomes of your manual testing sessions, including the session overview and session explorer. See you there!